Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Suchomimus. So hope you follow along and enjoy this fun video today. Now start off with our Suchomimus. Let's begin with the eye. I'm going to start right here and let's go ahead and just make a small little curve line. Then we're going to make the circle for the actual eye. We can put a little dot in here for the pupil. Let's draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down for the eyebrow. We'll go up and down for a little ridge on top of there. Then we're going to go up and down again for the other eyebrow. We'll make a long line that's going to come up here. Then we're going to curve this around for the nose. We'll make this wavy line. It's just going to kind of come down to here. Then we'll bring this up and then down to here. I'm going to bring this down and then right to here. Then we'll bring this up here for the jaw. For the back of the head, I'm going to bring this line down and kind of curve it around to here. And then we're going to bring this down. Now let's continue on the mouth. Let's start by drawing this back part of the mouth, and we'll put a couple of little lines in there. Then we're going to put some long, sharp, pointed teeth in here. Then we're also going to put some long, kind of pointed, sharp teeth in here, making them a little bit smaller as they get towards the back of the mouth. We'll draw a line that's going to kind of curve down and up, and another one here that's going to come up for the tongue. Then we'll draw a little line back here for the other side of the mouth. We'll put a couple little detail lines in there, and a line down here. We'll also put a little dot for the nose here and here. Now, we're going to continue down here, and I'm going to bring this up a little bit. Then I'm going to bring a line down here for part of the neck. We're going to make a couple little curves, and then I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to put a couple more little wrinkle lines here. I'm going to bring this line up. And we're going to come up here, and we're going to bring this around for the tail. Now I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to come up here. And then we're going to make the arm. We'll start off with a curve. Then we're going to bring this line in with a couple lines up. I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to bring it up with a sharp claw. We'll make a curve, and then I'm going to make another sharp claw here. Then we're going to make one more sharp claw right here. I'm going to bring this line up and into here. And we'll put a curve right there. Then we'll connect this line. I'll make another one down here. I'm going to make a curve that's going to go up. Make a little line. We'll make another curve. And then we'll make one more right here. And we're going to bring this up. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then right to about here. Then for the leg, I'm going to curve this line down and then back. I want to make a sharp claw here, and then another sharp claw here. We'll make one here, and we'll bring this up. And then I'm going to kind of curve this up and bring it around here.
I'm going to make a couple little curved lines here. And I'm going to bring this up and then around here to a point. Right here, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to make it come to a sharp point and over. And we'll make another sharp point right there. We'll bring this up and kind of curve it around here. Now we'll add some little curves for some claws on all of the toes. And we'll also add these nice long claws on the hands as well. We'll kind of curve these here. Make a little line across and a line down to kind of show where the other side of the hand is. Now for some detail on here, let's kind of bring these lines down. I'm going to make these little kind of like wrinkly lines on here. We'll make this kind of broken oval shape for a little indentation. I'll make some little lines here and some little kind of like broken lines right around here as well. Put another little indentation here and a couple more little lines around the eyes. Make some more lines there. I like to add some little curve lines right around the arms and legs just to kind of make it look like there are little like wrinkles and things. And then I like to make these little lines right over here just so we can have like little lines on the legs. I'm going to make some of these over here on the elbows. And then we're going to make these little kind of curved lines around here. And then little lines coming along here. We'll make little lines kind of coming up the legs here. And I'll make little lines up here too. Now, right along the back, I'm going to put some little small spikes. We'll make them get a little bit bigger towards the back legs. And then we're just going to make them get kind of smaller and smaller down the tail, and then we'll eventually stop seeing them. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Suchomimus. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.